Hi lovelies, welcome back again to the channel. Today we are catering for babies. If your baby is about to start weaning, relax and keep watching. This recipe can be introduced to your baby from 6 months onwards at the time they start weaning. Yeah, I've been feeding my baby this recipe from 6 months. He just turned 1 and he still enjoy it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prep the ingredient. All we have here is avocado and mango. Yeah, this pair does go well together. So next is to prep the fruits. I'm gonna scoop the avocado out, peel the back of the mango, slice it, wash and pop everything into the little blender. Usually I warm this for my baby by boiling water and then add the water into the jug, to the blender, and allow it to absorb the warmthness, let's say 2 to 3 minutes or sometimes less than that, and then pour the hot water out and then add other stuff like milk and then blend together. So the amount of water you will add to this depends on the consistency you want for your baby. If you just started weaning your baby, it is best to give babies things that are a little bit more slippery, very light, not too thick. But when your child grows from 7 8 months, you can make the consistency to be a bit more thicker. Yeah, at the moment my baby can eat solid, so I usually make it a little bit thicker for him, but it depends on what your child really wants. But I would advise, if you just started weaning your baby, and it's best to make it a little bit watery instead of thick, so that it will be easier for your baby to swallow, to get it down the throat. Yes, here guys, I'm about to add everything into the blender. After this, I'll go ahead and add the hot water and allow it to absorb the heat, and then pour the water out, then add milk and the water, a little bit of water, and then blend. At the moment, you see how I'm filling it up to the brim, and I'm gonna close it up right now and then allow it to absorb the warmness. Okay, here I'm about to pour out the hot water. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit water, just a little bit water, because at the moment my baby is more than 12 months old. Yeah, 1 year old, so I want it to be a bit more thick for him. But at the time I started, initially when it started waning, I usually make it to be a bit watery. Here I'm adding milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You can use breast milk, but here I'm using oat milk, baby formula milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this and then blend together. So guys, it's done, well blended and ready to be served. So I'm just pouring this into the baby's plates for him to start eating. Let me know in the comment section if you've just started weaning your baby. What was your child's first ever solid food? Mine was avocado, just blended avocado. Yes, avocado puree. That was what my baby ate for the first time, apart from breast milk. Yeah, that was his first ever solid food. Let me know in the comment section what you first introduced your child to. Yes, let me know. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, do all those good stuff. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up till now. I'm gonna see you all in my next one, and remember that Jesus loves you. Bye.